Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I got some new Air Force Ones that came in. And I'm pretty excited for these. These are the Air Force One '07 Elevate ND2. They come in the white, medium, soft pink. And I got these in an 11 because I plan on actually golfing in these, and I didn't want... sometimes 11 and a half is like a little bit too long or a little bit too wide. I'm not too sure. Like when I have the Supreme Air Force Ones in 11 and a half, and I feel like my foot kind of moves around a little bit. I got these in 11 because I don't want that to happen when I wear these. I know they're not technically golf shoes, but check these out. So go ahead and open this up and just look at the details on these. So they look kind of similar to just like an all white Air Force One, but they do have some pink stitching here, right? And then they have like this fringe that comes off that kind of is like reminiscent of a golf shoe. I thought that was really cool, and just like the little details they have on it just looks like a classic golf shoe. They aren't golf though. They don't have any of like the extra cleated parts on there. It's just a regular Air Force One. But I do have like the Jordan 1 Low Golf, the Air Max 97 Golf, the Flying Eraser Golf, and really, honestly, it's kind of just the same thing. They just add like a little bit more of a pronounced outsole to it. So I think I'll be fine if I wear these. But these were on the Nike app saying coming soon for about a week. And when they actually came out, I was quick to get them. They're still in stock, full size run of them. But I thought these would be really cool to wear just like either to the range or actually play like a full 18 in them. I think that'd be really cool. Here on the laces, they're a little bit different than a regular Air Force One. They're more of a rope type, and they have a pink aglet on the end. And then also, it's going to be a pink insole. So yeah, I thought these are really, really cool. Just have like some green accents on there as well, which is kind of reminiscent of the Masters that just passed. So really, really cool Air Force One. And I'm just really happy to pick it up to wear these casually and to actually wear these on the course. But let me know down below what you guys think of these. I thought they were really cool. But that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys my newest pickup. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch y'all next time.